As you get older in the garden, you got to start taking into consideration the very fact that you are getting older. One of the biggest problems I have with the garden now, getting older, is that I've got bad knees. We all worry about our balance, and it's hard getting up and getting down. Now a standard bed is this, 4 feet, and maybe who knows how long, but it's 4 feet. Now for me the problem with a 4-foot bed is that I can't reach out that far, which means I have to go down on one knee. That's a painful experience. This knee I cannot go down on. So at this point, on one knee, here's what I can do. I can reach here. That's less than half of the 4 feet. If I give up one hand and work with one hand, now I can reach the whole 4 feet. Okay, so that's telling me that if you're younger and you got the reach and all that good stuff, maybe you can do a 4-foot bed. I can't do one. Now you're going to get to watch the painful effort of me to get up and move over to the next bed that I started. Then I read, or somebody's video came up and said, well, you know, if you're getting too old to do a 4-foot, go to 3 feet. So this is a 3-foot bed. Very good, me doing this right here, not a problem. But we're still down to, without me reaching, I can only get this far. All right, the easy answer then is just walk around. Well, guess what? You spend a lot of time walking around. I've now wasted enough time walking around. I could have already done this little bit of weeding. So that tells me that 3 feet is not the answer. Neither is this wild strawberry mess that gets into everything. See, I can't reach 3 feet with what I can stoop. So it kind of dawned on me the other day that this really wasn't that difficult a problem. So let me set it up and show you what the solution is. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to determine exactly what is the perfect width for beds for me. You do the same thing, you'll get a different width, but that's okay, because it'll be the perfect width for you. So I'm going to prop up what's going to be some new bed, that material for a new bed. And I'm going to take another board over here, and I'm going to prop it up. Now, because the beds have sides. Now, what we have to work on is that I can straddle. Okay? I can work everywhere if I'm straddling my bed. So, that's going to mean this bed, come out to here, let's level out the wood this direction. I can't kneel down, I can't reach very far, but I can still, with some backache, I can still bend over and work in my garden. So, perfect size bed for me is one I can straddle easily. It also means it's one I can stand here and I can work all the way across. I can work this whole area, I can work either side from either side. If it's tomatoes or something, I can work up high. But the key is like lettuces and stuff, that once I build the bed up, it's going to be here. I can easily work all of these things. So, what I want is a bed, amazing, didn't do that on purpose, 2 feet, 2 feet wide. That makes a bed that's perfect for me. Now, first thing you're going to say is, well, you lose a lot of space. 4-foot bed becomes a 2-foot bed. Well, not really. It becomes 2 2-foot beds, and you got to come up with a foot to walk between. But the difference in not having to go around all the time, hurt myself trying to bend over, boy, this is fabulous. just go with a 2-foot width for me. Now, if your legs are longer than me, you may find you can go 30 inches. If you're shorter, maybe 20. It doesn't matter. It's the width where you can get in and work your garden and work your way right straight up, pulling them weeds. This is the width of the bed. For me, it's going to be 2 feet. So as we move into spring, you're going to see me changing all these big beds into 2-foot beds. These are on my back, and I know with the ability to weed easier, I'm going to grow even more vegetables in the beds that are 2 foot than the ones that are 4 foot. If you like these kind of tips, please subscribe. If this was a good one, click the like button. As always, I'll try to do whatever I can do to give you the truth as near as I know about it. Try and give us some tips on how to have a better garden even as we get older. So, this is Zone 7, northeast of Atlanta. Thursday, February 7th, I think. Thank you for watching.